This is the BHC 18 brushless SDS drill from Festool, and looking at it straight away, it is a lovely, nice and compact tool, but don't be fooled. This offers up to 1.8 joules of impact energy and can drill up to 18 mil in concrete. And we're joined today by Carl from Festool to tell us a bit more about this, because am I right in saying that there is more to this tool than meets the eye?
Yeah, thanks Dan. So the BHC 18, as you said, is all about its compact design and shape. So the L-stack construction means that we have a very compact, lightweight, easy to manage drill, even when drilling above your head. Give it a try.
I'll give it a little go.
So really comfortable, compact, perfect for working in those awkward positions all day. But it doesn't stop there. The handle has also got built into it a vibration dampening system. So just to show everybody, just push the handle and the head together and you'll see how it all compresses. That absorbs all the vibration, or most of the vibration, to keep you working safe all day. And of course, the safety doesn't stop there. This is where we can really take advantage of the Bluetooth in the Festool batteries. The Bluetooth will mean we can turn on our mobile dust extractor via a Bluetooth connection. So with one of our accessories, the dust drilling nozzle, we can now have dust-free drilling whenever, wherever we want to. So that keeps us safe with regulations, keeps the dust out of our face. It also means we don't have any afterwork where we have to clean the holes before applying the mechanical fixing. So another great feature. And of course, as you mentioned, the power up to 18 mil in concrete. This machine develops a lot of torque. Should the drill jam, the safety handle is there to provide your comfort. And something we really wanted to make sure we could do at Festool is when we pack the machine away in the sustainer at the end of the day, you can pack it away with the side handle installed.
So it's clear that with this model, safety was absolutely top priority.
Definitely.
And I think there are enough features there to, it makes me want to check it out, and I think you guys as well want to check it out over at its.co.uk.